Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the fade on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Edit Photo button at the upper side of the screen and select a picture from your gallery. Go to the fifth option, the Adjust, at the bottom of the screen, and you can find the Fade option next to the green button at the bottom of the screen, and you can select People or the Background option. For example, I select the People and just put the line on the scale, and you can edit the fade of your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.